John, I'm only dancing, la 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 la, but I'm only dancing. The song's not very good. Okahe, BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe, Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am BOOZHOO, and today I thought a good Ojibwe word, which we've done before, but we'll do again. Makere mash kiki wabu, black medicine water, coffee, black medicine water, makere mash kiki wabu. And we've also got a little anibish tea, anibish tea, the sacred medicines of the Anishinaabe. Makere mash kiki wabu, black medicine water, and anibish tea. Makere mash kiki wabu, makere mash kiki wabu. Anibish, anibish. Makere mash kiki wabu, makere mash kiki wabu. Dash, nanibish, anibish. Makere mash kiki wabu. I probably shouldn't bump that table. All right, hey, so black medicine water and tea are the Ojibwe words for today. And we're filming from my kitchen for no particular reason except the lighting is great in here. You know, I'm going to save up. I'm going to buy some good lighting and a good camera. And we're going to do a real show. All right. Well, hey, let me just close out then by saying we're going to be back in Grand Rapids on the 16th. We're putting on a show, a music and comedy and Ojibwe language lessons show. And we'll be at the McRoasty Art Gallery in downtown Grand Rapids, October 16th. Be there or beware. Nah. All right. Well, hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga wabamin, minowa, hawa. All right. What you doing, honey? I just did a quick BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO for the Facebook. Oh, cool. Hey, do you want to go for a walk outside? Yeah, sure. You want to go out to the park? To the whatever? The walk around thing? Yeah, let's go out there. All right. Oh, the camera's still on. You guys want to go on a walk with us? We're going to go out to the park. All right. Come along. I don't know how to transition from here to the park, but we'll do it. Hey, BOOZHOO, Anishinaabe Doog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the outdoors edition. Hey, today, I thought, our Ojibwe word of the day, AAGWAAJIING, outside, AAGWAAJIING. We're gonna do this outside today, and I thought it might be a good day just to offer up some tobacco. So today I'm gonna offer tobacco to the four directions and the Mother Earth, and to Gitchimanadu, the Great Spirit. So I'll do this in Ojibwe, and if
if you're interested in learning how to offer tobacco to the spirits of the four directions. All right, so first off, you get a little pinch of tobacco here, and you gotta face east. We start everything in the east because that's where the sun comes from. And you hold it up there and you go, BOOZHOO, Otapa naman, niwi asema, manadugo wede, wabanung. Accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the east. And you turn this way to the south and you go, Otapa naman, niwi asema, manadugo wede, jawanung, jawanung, south. And you turn to the west and you go, Otapa naman niwi asema, manadugo wede, Ningabianang, Ningabianang, to the spirits over there in the west. And we face the north and we say, Otapa naman niwi asema, manadugo wede, kiweden. Accept my tobacco, spirits over there in the north. And you just sort of gesture down to the earth, and you say, BOOZHOO mama aki, hello Mother Earth. Otapa naman, niwi asema, accept my tobacco. And then you can gesture up to the firmament, and you say, BOOZHOO kitchi manadu. Otapa naman, niwi asema. And that's how you offer your tobacco to the Great Spirit, to the Creator. And then you take this tobacco and you just put it in a tree or something. Just put it someplace where no one's going to walk on it. And this is your tobacco offering. And hey, BOOZHOO mitig. I'll put a little tobacco right there. All right, and that's how you do it. So I guess that's all I have for today. I want to say miigwech for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Menawa, Hoa. And this is the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe Moan. Today's Ojibwe word of the day, Hanama-e, prayer. Gitchi manado, daga widuka wishin, wiweni ji, nana gura wendaman. Jiodapa naman, inu kikashki kitusiwan, chianji sidoyan, kikashki kitoyan. Judea pichi nabwakayan, ji kikenda manono. Creator, please, that I may have careful consideration to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and to have the vision to know the difference. That's pretty much the Serenity Prayer. I want to say miigwech bizandawiag. Thank you for listening. And I want to say miigwech to Natasha for playing the flute. That really sounded cool. All right, that's all I have. Igawabamin minawa. I'll see you again. Hoa. All right, Nana BOOZHOO, you want to give me a check 1 2, check 1 2? I'm just gonna check the levels here. Check 1 2, check 1 2. How does that sound? I think that sounds just fine. All right, Mamengwa, can you give me a check 1 2? Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, reckon that'll be fine. Natasha, do you need a microphone? Okay, you're just gonna sit there and look pretty? All right. Okay, boss, I think we're ready. Okay, you want to give us like a little intro? I reckon I could. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Hey, thank you very much. BOOZHOO ni Anishinaabe Doog. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And today we're gonna talk about Mick the beaver. That's our word for today. A Mick beaver. And this is a story about how a Mick got his tail. Back in the days of the grandfathers, a Mick used to have a big fluffy tail, and he was just proud of it. He would sashay through the woods, showing his tail off to anyone who would listen. He came up to Mukwa, the bear, and he was like, "Hey Mukwa, check out my tail. Isn't it beautiful?" And Mukwa's like, "Oh yeah, that's a really nice tail." And Mick says, "I bet you wish you had a tail like this." And Mukwa was, "Oh, you know what? That's a nice tail and everything, but my little tail suits me just fine." "Ah, you're just jealous," Mick said, and he turned on his heel and walked away. Well, pretty soon he comes up on Deg, the crow. And he says, "Hey, Deg, check out my tail. Isn't it beautiful?" And Deg looks at his tail and he says, "Oh yeah, that's a really nice tail. You must be very proud." And Mick goes, "Oh yeah, it's the most beautiful tail ever. I bet you wish you had a tail like this." And Deg says, "Look, that tail is good for you, but I like my tail just fine. It helps me steer when I fly." "Ah, you're just jealous," Mick said, and turned on his heel and walked away. And oh gee, he found himself just steamed. You know, you get like that. And he starts chewing on this tree, right? And normally Mick was really good at dropping trees right where they were supposed to go. But on this day he was distracted, thinking about the woodland animals who insulted him. And instead of having the tree fall forward, it started to fall backwards. In the last second, Mick was like, "Oh, what?" And he jumped out of the way. But he didn't make it in time. The tree landed on his tail with a smack. And he pulled out his tail. And now, instead of being all fluffy and beautiful, it was flat like a pancake. And he started to cry. And he goes, "Oh, Creator, Great Spirit, what have you done to me? Look at my tail." And the Creator, the Great Spirit comes down, Gitchimanadu comes down, and he says, "You know, Mick, you did this to yourself. You know, by having so much pride and acting so ugly to your friends, you weren't paying attention and that tree fell on it. But here, let me tell you something. Sometimes, you know, what you think is a bad thing turns out to be a blessing." He goes, "Jump in the river." And Mick jumps in the river. And he starts swimming around, and pretty soon he sees that he's a great swimmer, better than ever before. And he comes up and he goes, "Gitchimanadu, I don't know what to say." And Gitchimanadu says, "Don't say anything at all, but just notice how your ugly behavior led to an ugly tail. But also how everything kind of works. You know, nothing is just all good or all bad. You can see the benefit in anything. And that is why the Gitchimanadu, and that is how Gitchimanadu became a Buddhist." Nah, just kidding. And that is the story of how Mick got a flat tail. I think that's the story anyway. That's how I remember it. Okay, well, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. I'd like to thank my friends here, Anamush and Mamengwa and Natasha, for being here today. And that's all I got. So I will see you again Giga Min Minawa. Oh, what? Yeah, a Mick and how the beaver got his tail. What'd you think of that, Mamengwa? Oh, I don't know, it's pretty good. And I'd concur with that too, sir. I think you did fine, just fine. Bushkode Jibik, Bushkode Jibik, Nukweji Gan, Bushkode Jibik. Oh, hey there, BOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and today we're going to talk about Bushkode Jibik and Nukweji Gun. Bushkode Jibik and Nukweji Gun. They're our mushkiki. They're medicine. Bushkode Jibik, sage. This is one of our medicines given to us by the Great Spirit, by Gitchi Manadu. And what it does, if you burn Bushkode Jibik, you can Nukweji Gun. You can smudge, and it scares away the bad spirits and it invites in the good spirits. So we like to smudge down before things like, going to a powwow, before ceremony, like you might smudge down and purify. It purifies the air and it purifies your stuff. And then, sometimes people get those words mistaken. People come up to me and they'll be like, "Hey, Nana BOOZHOO, you got any of that smudge?" I'm like, "No, I don't have any smudge. I got some sage. You want some Bushkode Jibik so you can Nukweji Gun? You want some sage so you can smudge down then?" All right, so there you go. Bushkode Jibik, Nukweji Gun. And those are our words for today.
We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. We slip out right now, go downtown, get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown, get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown. What would they think? Hey, hey, what do you say? Oh, we slip out right now and run away. My love for you would break my heart in two if you should fall into my arms, tremble like a big one. Hey, Bojuni Janashanabe Dug. Welcome to my podcast on Ojibwe language and culture. Today's special word, wabigwan, flower. Wabigwan owe, this flower. You might be asking yourself, "Awan and owe, what is this?" And I would say, wabigwan owe, this is a flower, a big one. Yeah. So let's see, what can I say about wabigwan? Wabigwan's a good gift. You can give it to your weenie mushane. You can give it to your sweetheart, weenie mushane. And you know who else likes wabigwan? Wabigwanan likes flowers. Your grandma. Gina Comis. Give a big one to Gina Comis, your grandma.
I'm telling this to you kids. Grandma doesn't want you to buy her anything. You know, she can buy her own stuff. Don't go to the store and buy her a scarf. You know, go outside if it's a spring, you know, like during Mother's Day. Go pick her some flowers. If you got a Nokomis, draw her a picture. Draw a picture of the two of you and then put it in a nice frame. You know, that's what I did. It's hanging on the wall over there. I tell you, when you give a gift that's something you made, it's like telling them, you know, I love you so much. I would work for hours to make your gift. You know, buying a gift is easy, but to make a gift, you know, that's real love.
I know it's no federal crime, but you let me down, way down this time, and I know I never once crossed your mind, but you let me down, way down this time. Yeah, hey, what do you say? Oh, we slip out right now and run away. Yeah, hey, what do you think? We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown, get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown. What would they think? What should they think? We could get ourselves and forget ourselves. 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 We could get ourselves, go get ourselves a drink.
Dog and Mainga.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
BOOZHOO.
1 dog.
BOOZHOO Anamosh.
1 wolf.
BOOZHOO Mainga.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migazi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asi Vanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Young.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
by Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com.
Bum ba bum ba bum bum bum. Bum ba bum ba bum bum bum. Do 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 do. Hey everybody, welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this right here, this is Not a BOOZHOO. So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now.